prosper in all things and be in health just as your soul prosper. It's in 3rd John chapter 1 verse 2. With this beautiful thought from the Bible, I would like to welcome you all for today's session. Today's session is entitled as Temperance. Before we could go into the topic, let's abbreviate what is God's plan in our health. It is new start. N is for nutrition, E is for exercise, W for water, S for sunlight, T for temperance, A for air, R for rest, and T for trusting God. When we are thinking about the word temperance, it takes us to a moment that happened in US in the 19th century. It was against the usage of alcohol. First day aim of this movement was to moderate the use of alcohol. Later they realized that it can't be possible. So they changed the aim to abstinence or outlawing of usage of the alcohol. When I was learning about temperance, I just googled the meaning of temperance. It came like this: abstinence of drinking alcohol. Do you think that only abstinence of drinking alcohol is called temperance? No, not at all. There are certain points to be added in this. For sure, alcohol drinking is injurious to your health and also your mind. You won't be knowing what you are doing when you are drunkard. So, you need to realize that it is dangerous for your mind and also your soul and also your health. All three things are going to damage. So, try to quit alcohol drinking. The next thing is drinking beverages such as tea and coffee are also dangerous for you all, because we need to control this, because when my grandmother used to tell that at 4 o'clock she needs tea, if not she feels headache it seems. So if we are practicing the drinking of these type of caffeine and this tea, these have certain chemicals which will harm your body. First, when we drink these chemicals, it will be so energetic for you all, but later it will make you to feel bad. So try to avoid these type of beverages in your life. The next thing is food. There is a saying that we need not touch not, handle not, and taste not. If we are doing these things, you are going to be sinned or your health is going to damage. In drinking habit, also in food. Try to avoid eating meat, because it is dangerous to your even your mindset. You will behave like an animal, because these meat makes you like an animal. So try to avoid. It will help you to reduce your anger too. I have practiced in my life and I have got that result too. The next thing is thinking about the food. Don't eat while watching televisions, or you watch your mobiles and eat. It is dangerous to you. You will overeat and it will lead to certain diseases such as obesity will come, and directly you will go to heart diseases and other diseases too. So try to avoid eating by looking into televisions or your mobile phone. Try to eat with your family. Have a companion with your family. The next thing is usage of this cocaine, these other drugs. Try to avoid that also. That also will control your mind, and like Satan controlling your mind, it will make you to do evil things. The next thing is smoking. That the substance present in these cigarettes and all are very dangerous. These are carcinogens. At first you won't feel that, but later it will make you sick. The other thing which we are discussing about temperance is work. If you have a shift of 8 or 12 hours, and if you are working more than 8 or 12 or 6 hours, it is called as workaholic. You are addicted to the work, and you feel like only earning of money is the living. but please don't do that. It can adversely affect your whole family life, your children's mental status, and also your spouse or your father, mother, anybody's mental status can be affected by this. You need to give a quality time for your spouse or your children or your parents at equally, so that they feel happy with you, so that you also feel stress free. You can sleep, insomnia will go. Likewise, certain good things you will be earning from this thing. So I think you all understood about the temperance. It's not only abstinence of drinking habit. You need to control your food habit. You need to control means you need to abstain from smoking, your drinking habit. You are drinking these beverages such as tea, coffee, and also you need to be on moderately you need to do your work, so that you have a healthy life. Last whole videos I have put what is the new start and all. Please try to see all these videos. This is the continuation of new start, so that you can earn more things about this health, so that you can be healthful life, you can have a healthful life. Continue seeing these video channels, so that you can know more about this new start. In next 2 videos I'll be putting about air and also trust in God. Within that we will be completing what is the new God's plan in our health. So continue to watch, share with your friends, relatives, and also subscribe this channel, so that you will know when I'm putting the videos. So thank you all.